I've been testing the HP OMEN 45L AI gaming desktop PC for the past 2 weeks. You're going to want to hear this. So here's the thing, I'm not a gamer, but my kid is getting into it, and I needed a decent machine that wouldn't break the bank or make me pull my hair out trying to set it up. The HP OMEN 45L was like an answer in a bottle. Look at that sleek design, it's not just for looks, it's got some serious substance. Let's talk about what really matters: performance, speed, and storage. I mean, who doesn't love playing games or watching movies on their machine of choice? The HP OMEN 45L delivers on all fronts. For the price, you get a beast of a processor, Intel Ultra 9 to 285K, to be precise. That's like having a supercomputer at your fingertips. But what really impressed me was how seamless the experience is. I've got 4 kids, and they're always juggling schoolwork, gaming, and streaming their favorite shows. With this machine, they can have everything running simultaneously without slowing down. It's like magic, no lag, no buffering, just pure bliss. And that's where the magic lies, in how it makes life easier for the people who need it. Of course, there are some features that might not be as exciting to everyone else, but for a gamer or someone with a demanding workflow, these specs matter. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, you get the idea, this thing is future-proofed. And let's talk about power. The 15th Gen Ultra 9 to 285K processor isn't just fast, it's also incredibly efficient. The real clincher for me was how easy it was to set up. Great price tag took care of upgrading the machine, and I didn't have to lift a finger. That's what I call value, getting top-notch performance without the hassle. Oh, and they include an authorized dock that lets you expand your ports on the go. It's like having your own personal tech butler. But here's the thing, not everyone will love this machine. I mean, some might find it expensive, and for those on a tighter budget, there are options out there that won't break the bank. Real talk, if you're someone who doesn't care about gaming or speed, you might want to skip this one. That being said, if you've got the budget, or if you know someone who does, I'd say this is worth considering. The trade-offs are minimal, and the performance is unparalleled. Plus, that warranty gives me peace of mind, it's like having a safety net. So, in my humble opinion, the HP OMEN 45L AI gaming desktop PC is a solid choice for anyone who needs raw power without the hassle. And let me tell you, I've been blown away by how well it's held up. My wife even used it for her work, she was impressed. If this saved you some time, hit subscribe. I drop honest Amazon reviews every single week. You'll find the link in the description if you want to grab one. Appreciate you watching.